On the menu today is fried plantains and black-eyed beans. I hope you are all well, and thanks again for clicking on today's video. If you're new here, I'm Kayi and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel. If you are a foodie, you are at the right place. Keep watching. For ingredients, we're going to need black-eyed beans, like a cup, and 2 plantains. So now let's get right into it. First, I'm going to rinse my beans 3 to 4 times, and into a cooking pot, add some water and bring it to a boil. I'm going to cut my plantains into my desired shape. We finish with this. Let's check the water, which is ready. Add the beans and cover it up. I added a little bit of onions to heat up the oil, and now the oil is at the right temperature. I'm going to take the onions out and start frying the plantain. Once the plantain is frying, let's check the beans. At this stage, the beans was cooking for 30 minutes, but I'm going to leave it here for another 20 minutes for it to be very soft. So let's cover it back. Once you start seeing the golden color on the first side, flip it and let the other side also fry, and the plantains will be ready. To all my returning subscribers, thanks so much for clicking on today's video. Our plantains is ready. I'm going to lay rest on the kitchen towel. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to drop a like and keep watching. Perfectly done and looking very, very inviting. Let's go back to the beans. Add a little bit of salt to taste and let the water dry properly. So I'm going to leave it here for another 10 minutes, and you can see it's very, very soft now. I'm still going to mash it up a bit, and that will be it. And this is exactly how I love my beans. I'm going to serve it now. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you love to see more recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop the next video. This is the sauce I'm going to use. Very, very easy and straightforward. I will be uploading that video later if you love to know how to make it, or check my previous beans recipe. Simple, easy, very, very yummy beans and plantains. Thanks so much for watching, and as usual, you guys are invited to join me here in Togo. We say midunulo. Grab your fork. And also, if you love today's recipe, don't forget to give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Au revoir.